Right, so I'm just going to break down this trade here that I took today on the 31st of January 24 on GBP USD for a 2R win. So here you can see this is the final outcome of the trade, and we will just go back to 7 AM to see what I saw. Okay, so let me go on to the daily first. So why was I bullish? So clearly daily's making higher highs, higher lows, and we're just sideways, ranging sideways. We've been ranging sideways for the whole of Jan. The reason why I was still bullish here, even though it's sideways, is we haven't really taken anything substantial. Like we've taken this high, yeah, we've taken this high, but that's not really what would you call it, like a strong liquidity level. This high perhaps, if we took this high, or definitely this high, if we saw this up here and we've taken that high and we're just ranging sideways, chances are 50-50 in my opinion if we're going to go up or not, but we haven't taken any strong liquidity and price is still making high highs. We're just currently ranging. If I drop down to the 1 hour time frame, we had liquidity that was swept here after the initial breaker structure. So you can see here, this is your initial breaker structure with momentum, which leaves a fair value gap. So you can see here, this gap here. This gap was left after this initial breaker structure, which caused this move, and that was last week, I think. Yeah, previous week high, previous week low. Okay. So we had these equal lows here that I had marked out, and we also had the previous weekly low. So I wanted to see these levels taken with a strong move up before looking for longs. We can see that happened, which also was in confluence with this pattern here, which we had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touch. So that's your Elliott wave leg complete, your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we also had a fake out of the pattern, which was taking the liquidity of the previous weekly low. The reason why this is what I look for is because we didn't actually see any light displacement below this low. So we can see that buy orders were bought pretty aggressively after we took this liquidity level. If I hop down to the 15-minute now, you can see exactly what's happening. So this is the pattern. Completion, we had the fake out. Look at the reaction when we've taken this low. This is what you want to see. So that's your previous week low. We've come into that level here, and look at the reaction we've had. Only one 15-minute candle actually closed below the level before immediately bullish momentum coming out. So we had a breaker structure here on the 15-minute, and this is on the Tuesday. So after we had that, I wanted to see a pullback into the discount areas, fill out this imbalance here, and then get a second breaker structure for the entry. So if I play price forward, this is what I see when I come on in the mornings. So 7 AM, I can see we've pulled back into this imbalance area. This is our structure that I want to see broken before looking for any longs. So just chilling, just waiting, see what price does. And here we can see we've had two strong candles that are closed above the structural level here. So that's left an imbalance. So momentum, breaker structure, perfect. Draw my fib out from the bottom to the top, 0.618 entry. nice and simple. And here I was tagged in at 9:45 London, and if I just play price on, it came so close to my stop, maybe like 1 pip away, 1 pip, but it actually kept me in. And as you can see, price ran forward. I think this is news, and hit my target for 2R, which is just above Asia highs. My original target, going to be honest, was 3R, but as soon as that news came out, didn't really stick to the plan, and I manually closed for 2R, which I'm not mad about, but didn't stick to the plan. We had another spike up into my actual take profit area for 3R, like half an hour later, so just a bit of patience on my end needed. Could have also targeted the previous daily high here for 3.5, but not mad about the 2R that I got, especially being 1 pip away here from your stop loss. Take 2R any day. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty simple trade. Execution perfect. I forecasted this yesterday. Actually, at the beginning of the week, I wanted to see these levels taken, and before looking for long. So really good patience on my part, waiting for exactly what I wanted to see to develop. Executed the trade exactly to plan. Just the management that's made me take profit 1R early. I think this here, being so close to stop, could have potentially wanted me to just close the trade so that I'm out of it, but yeah, we move on, we learn, and yeah, thanks for watching.